All right, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get started with the Boss Suite and how you can check your payment plans in case you want to split up your payments. So what you're going to do when you land on my page, you're going to go ahead and click on I Want In. Okay, what you're going to do is put in your first name, put in your email address, and then go ahead and type in yes. Okay, once you do those things, you'll see your payment options. You can either pay with PayPal or pay later. Okay, so click on one of these buttons if you want that option. You can pay in full with a debit or a credit card, or if you want to explore your payment plan options with Klarna or Afterpay, just click on the one that you want to get started with. You can always check both as well. Okay, but this is what you've got to do in order to check your payment plan is click on Klarna. And you're going to see right here, it says pay in 4 interest-free payments of $149. Okay, a very, very generic view. All right. You'll see here it says or over 3 to 12 months. That's why you got to take the extra step. So for Klarna, all you got to do is just come down here and then click on set up payment plan. You're not setting up your payment plan. It's going to simply take you to the Klarna website where you will see your personalized plans. You'll have to log in or set up your Klarna account, and then it will let you know what payment plans are available to you. That is where you will see the 0 downs or $27 a month or $51 a month, or it might be $149 every 2 weeks. It just depends. It's personalized for everyone. All right. Once you're over there and you see a payment plan that makes sense for you, just choose it, go ahead and lock it in, and then you will be in. Now with Afterpay, they want a little bit more information. So you're going to click on Afterpay, you're going to put in your email address, your full name, and then also your address. And then once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and click on set up payment plan, and it's going to take you over to the Afterpay site. And that is where you will see your payment plan options, whether it's 0 down, $27 a month, $51 a month, right? Or some other plan. Once you see a plan that jives with you, right? Click the plan, right? Set it in place and run, and then you will be in. All right, now I'm going to show you 3 other options that allow you to use a virtual card that will have a spending limit, and that spending limit will create payment plans for you to allow you to split up the $597. So at the bottom of my sales page, you'll see start with Affirm, start with Sezzle, and start with Zip. I have a line of credit with each and every one of these, and I have a virtual card with each one of these. All right, if I wanted to get started with Boss Suite, right, they gave me ample enough credit to be able to do that. The way that these virtual cards work is that you're going to click on whichever link you want to get started with. All right. If you already have an established relationship with one of these, then go ahead and use that. But when you open up an account with them, they're going to give you a credit limit. So my limit with each of these is over $1,000. All right. And so they're going to also give you a virtual card. And when you're on the website, what you want to do is click on start or start a payment plan, something like that, right? Like request a payment plan or request a purchase. And then you're going to type in the amount of $597. And then it's going to tell you what the payment plan will look like, right? They might give you 2 or 3 different options. And much like I just showed you with Klarna and Afterpay, choose the one that makes sense for you. And then they will give you the virtual card information. And all you got to do is just come back over to my website, click on I Want In. Use the virtual card, just like a regular debit or credit card. You'll pay the $597 in full on my site, but then you'll be paying a payment plan with Affirm, Sezzle, or Zip. All right. So if it's $51 a month, then you'll start paying $51 a month. If it's 0 down, you'll pay nothing today. And then again, you'll be paying your monthly payment directly through Affirm, Sezzle, or Zip, much like Klarna and Afterpay. These 3 just give you different options. All right. So I hope this helps you. Now, once you get started, you're going to get an email from me immediately that's going to give you a checklist that's going to keep you very organized with getting started, as well as my personal business line. So if you have any questions, you'll be able to text me. If you want an accountability partner during your first 30 days to help you lock in your income, right? Again, you will have that with me. My goal for you is that you get started, you get set up, and you start making money within your first 30 days. I look so forward to seeing you inside of the community, and I cannot wait to get your text message letting me know that you are in and that you're ready to get things started.